Okay, so now we're going to insert and format WordArt. And here's a friendly reminder to make sure that you save. Okay, just in case if something happens to your computer and you lose all your files, that would be very unfortunate. So one method of adding appealing visual elements to a presentation is by using WordArt styles. This feature has been featured in many other Office applications, especially Word. Came around in the 1990s. It's one of those big features. You see really a lot of it on flyers, a lot of WordArt. WordArt's kind of changed a little bit over the years, but ultimately it's really the same kind of thing. So WordArt fill is the interior of a letter that can consist of a solid color, texture, picture, or gradient. The outline is the exterior border. And you can also add effects like glows, shadows, reflections, and 3D rotations. So with slide 4 still on here, we're going to display the Insert tab. And we're going to go to WordArt. Now we're going to find, Fill, Red Accent 2, Outline Accent 2. And we are going to type Register Today. Now we're going to change the WordArt shape. The WordArt text is useful to emphasize the need to register children early for camp. So you can change its shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the Text Effects button. If you look, we're in the Format tab. Find WordArt Styles, Text Effects. And we're going to point to Transform. And we've got lots of options here. So we are going to find Chevron Up. I believe that's right here. So it has a little bit of a fun motion path to it. And then we are going to drag the lower right sizing handle to the lower right hand corner. Okay, and make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to put it in the bottom right hand corner so it's really easy to see. Okay, now we're going to apply a WordArt text fill. This gives the WordArt characters a unique look. You've used a texture fill to add interest to the slide 3 background. We're going to be using a medium wood texture as fill. So we are going to select this again, go to text fill, and instead of changing the color, we are going to go over here and find texture. Now we're going to find the medium wood texture right here, and there we go. We've got our texture background there. Now we're going to change the weight of the WordArt outline. It gives a little bit of a thicker line and adds another visual element. We're going to go to Text Outline, Weight. We did this before, 6 point. So the weight of the outline here is a little bit bigger. Now we're going to change that color of the outline. We're going to find black background 1. Do an outline color. Alright, so that's how you insert WordArt and format WordArt.